Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of navigation problem on Google Maps. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Google Maps and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your time.